Hi, friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ansal Azhar, student ID number 253111053. Here I will explain the material on the environment and corporate culture. Background. In today's rapidly evolving global market, organizations are increasingly influenced not only by internal dynamics but also by the external environment in which they operate. The environment comprising economic, technological, social, cultural, legal, and competitive factors plays a significant role in shaping corporate strategies and operational decisions. In response to these environmental pressures, organizations must cultivate a strong and adaptive corporate culture that aligns with their goals and values. Corporate cultures refers to the shared beliefs, behaviors, values, and norms that define how employees interact and work within an organization. A positive and adaptive culture can enhance employee performance, support innovation, and contribute to long-term business sustainability. Conversely, a miscellaneous or rigid culture might hinder organizational effectiveness and responsiveness to environmental change. Understanding the relationship between the environment and corporate culture is essential for leaders and managers who aim to foster organizational resilience and agility as companies face challenges such as digital transformation, environmental sustainability, and social responsibility. The integration of external awareness into internal culture becomes more critical than ever. Okay, next part two. One, understanding the external environment. Definition of external environment in business. Components: economic, technological, legal, political, social, cultural, and competitive forms. 2. How external change impact on organizational strategies. Definition and elements of corporate culture. What is corporate culture? Care values, beliefs, norm, behavior, patterns in a company, the role of leadership in shaping culture. 3. The relationship between environment and culture, how external environment influence internal culture, examples of environmental adaptation in corporate culture, case studies of companies responding to external shift. 4. Adapting corporate culture to environmental change. 1. Importance of flexibility and innovation in culture. 2. Strategies to align culture with environmental demands, role of communication, and employee engagement. 5. Corporate culture and sustainable business. 1. How culture supports environmental and social responsibility. 2. Building a culture of sustainability and ethics. Long term impact and brand, reputation, and performance. Explanation 1. Understanding the external environment. The external environment refers to all factors outside an organization that can affect its performance, decision, and strategies. These factors include economic trends, technological advancements, legal regulation, political stability, social and cultural change, and the competitive landscape. Companies must constantly monitor these elements to remain competitive and responsive. For instance, a sudden shift in technology may force a company to innovative or risks become obsolete. Explanation 2. Definition elements of corporate culture. Corporate culture is the set of shared values, beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors that define how people within an organization interact and work together. It shapes the workplace atmosphere and influence decision making, leadership style, and employee behavior. Key elements of corporate culture include the organization's mission, leadership approach, communication style, and level of collaboration. A strong, positive culture can improve job satisfaction, productivity, and company reputation. Explanation 3. The relationship between environment and culture. The external environment and corporate culture are closely linked. Change in the environment such as new laws, evolving customer expectations, or economic downturns often require companies to adjust their internal culture to survive and thrive. For example, if a company operates in a highly competitive industry, it may develop a culture focused on innovation and efficiency. In contrast, a company in a highly regulated sector may emphasize compliance and risk management in this culture. Okay, next. Explanation 4 and 5. Adapting corporate culture for environmental change and business sustainability in a constantly evolving business world. Organizations must ensure their corporate culture can adapt to external change while also supporting long-term sustainability goals. External pressures such as climate change, regulatory updates, consumer awareness, and technological disruption force business to be more agile and socially responsible. Adapting corporate culture means mm, reshaping internal values, mindsets, and behaviors to like win environmental demands. This may include encouraging innovation, increasing openness to change, and fostering a learning-oriented environment. Effective cultural adaptation requires strong leadership, clear communication, and active involvement from employees at all levels. At the same time, a sustainable business culture priorities ethics, environmental responsibility, and social impact. Companies with a sustainability focused culture are more likely to adopt green practice. Redis Watch supports community engagement and promotes ethical decision making. This not only strengthens a company's public image but also build trust among stakeholders and contribute to long-term success. In conclusion, adapting corporate culture is not just a reaction to change, it is a strategic move them that empowers organization to drive in a combination and responsible way. Okay. Thank you, my friends. And see you. Goodbye.